Wetlands are incredibly important and beneficial ecosystems that provide a wide range of ecological, economic, and social benefits. Wetlands are home to a diverse range of plant and animal species, many of which are specially adapted to this unique environment. They serve as breeding grounds, nurseries, and feeding areas for many species, including fish, birds, amphibians, and invertebrates. Wetlands act as natural filters, trapping pollutants such as sediments, heavy metals, and excess nutrients from agricultural runoff and urban stormwater. This process improves water quality in nearby rivers, lakes, and groundwater. Wetlands absorb and store large amounts of water during heavy rains and snowmelt, reducing the severity and frequency of floods. This water retention helps to protect downstream areas from flooding and erosion. Wetlands store significant amounts of carbon in their plant biomass and soil, helping to mitigate climate change. They also influence local climates by regulating temperature and humidity through evapotranspiration. Wetlands often feature stunning landscapes with a mix of open water, lush vegetation, and diverse wildlife, making them visually appealing. They offer scenic views and tranquil environments that attract photographers, artists, and nature enthusiasts. Wetlands help to replenish groundwater supplies by allowing water to slowly infiltrate into the ground. This is crucial for maintaining the water table and providing a reliable source of water for wells and springs. Effective wetland management helps protect these species and ensures healthy ecosystems. Wetlands store large amounts of carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas. Proper management helps conserve these carbon stores and mitigates climate change. Wetland management involves strategies to conserve, restore, and improve these vital ecosystems. Wetlands provide living laboratories for scientists and students to study ecological processes, species interactions, and environmental changes. Many wetlands are popular destinations for outdoor activities such as birdwatching, hiking, kayaking, and fishing. These activities provide enjoyment and relaxation while fostering a connection to nature. Wetlands have cultural importance for many communities, often being featured in local folklore, traditions, and rituals. They are considered sacred or spiritually significant in various cultures, offering places for contemplation and renewal. Wetlands act like giant sponges, soaking up excess water during floods and releasing it slowly during droughts.